Welcome back. Now, in order to connect your community to other applications that you may be using online or in your online business, you can use third-party cloud-based connector Zapier in order to connect the two applications between both platforms. To do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the settings area. Now, you will need to have a Zapier account in order to do this, and that account will need to be active. Assuming that your Zapier account is available and is active, you can then click on this integration button inside of the Invite tab. We're going to click on Integrate. You're going to notice then that there's an API key that you can copy and enter into Zapier. Inside of your Zapier account, you're going to click on the Apps button. What you will then do is you will write in Skool as an application. You will then connect your Skool account. What you'll see here inside of Zapier is that Zapier requires your Skool API key. We will then enter the API key as well as our Skool group URL. And once you've gone through that process, Skool is then available inside of your Zapier account in order to connect with other cloud-based platforms for various purposes. Now, in the Invite tab, Skool does provide the 3 use cases for Zapier integration with your account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.